So very good afternoon all of you. Welcome to online classes of LPS. Today we will continue our EVS chapter number 14. Okay, question answer related to this chapter. Now let's start chapter number 14. Chapter name is digestion of food. Now first is question is objective type question. The digestion of food start from. Options are mouth, stomach, esophagus, and our correct answer is mouth. The digestion of food start from mouth. Food goes into the small intestine from food pipe, mouth, stomach. So stomach is our correct answer. Okay, stomach से food जो है वो कहाँ जाता है? Small intestine में. Now next is saliva converts starch into mineral, glucose, iron. So glucose is our correct answer. Saliva converts starch into glucose. Next is Meera was suffering from deficiency of water, glucose or blood. So our correct answer is blood. Next is which of the following eatable should be eaten less? Sweets, vegetables or fruits? So our correct answer is sweets. Okay, sweets जो हैं वो हमें बहुत ही less amount में eat करनी चाहिए. Tablets we take for the worm control is IF, albendazole and none of these. So correct answer is B, albendazole. Okay. Worms को control करने के लिए जो tablet दिया जाता है उसे हम albendazole कहते हैं. Okay. IFA जो tablets है वो हमारी iron की deficiency को दूर करने के लिए लिया जाता है. Now next fill in the blank. Green vegetables are the main sources of iron. Food gives us energy. We should eat food by chewing properly. Food goes into stomach through the food pipe. And the last one is for getting instant energy, glucose is being used. Now question number 3, true false. We should wash our hand with soap after defecation and before eating food. This statement is true. We should eat food quickly without chewing it. This statement is false. Food को हमें अच्छे से chew करके eat करना चाहिए. Okay. Undigested food gets collected in rectum. This statement is true. And saliva converts starch into minerals. This statement is false. है ना, ये अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जो saliva है वो starch को ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट कर देती है. Next is worm control does not help in faster development in children. This statement is false. Now next question number 4, question answer. How should the food be eaten? So the food should be eaten by chewing it properly. Which are the major organ of the digestive system? Mouth, esophagus, stomach and intestine are the major organs of digestive system. Question number 3 is what changes take place in the food while it reaches the stomach from the mouth? So the food in the mouth mixes with the saliva and becomes smooth and lubricated like a paste. Next question is if you do not get the food for one day, then what will happen? So answer is we shall feel weakness. Okay, अगर हम एक दिन के लिए food eat नहीं करेंगे तो हम कैसा feel करेंगे? Weakness feel करेंगे, weak feel करेंगे. Question number 5 is when we fall ill, why is the glucose dissolved in water given to us? जब हम बीमार हो जाते हैं तो हमें water में glucose dissolve करके क्यों दिया जाता है? Because when we feel very weak and need instant energy, then glucose is given to us by the doctor. जब हम weak feel करते हैं और हमें instant energy की तुरंत हमें उसी वक्त energy की requirement होती है तो डॉक्टर हमें glucose देता है. Why was Meera feeling weak? जो मीरा है वो क्यों weak feel कर रही थी? So Meera was feeling weak because she was suffering from deficiency of blood. What is the full form of the tablet given for the treatment of anemia? So tablet name is iron folic acid or IFA. Which tablet will you take for the worm control or deworming? And answer is albendazole. What food item should we eat to remove iron deficiency? So we should eat green leafy vegetables, fruits, carrots, pomegranates, cereals, sesame seeds, pulses, walnut, almond, guava, sweet lime, date palm, raisins, fish, liver, etc. Now, when do the children fall ill? When children do not use clean toilets, do not eat washed fruit and vegetables, do not drink pure water, do not wash their hand with soap after defecation and before eating, then they will fall ill. Next, question number 11 is due to which reason the development of the children hampers. किस रीजन की वजह से जो बच्चों का चिल्ड्रन है वो स्टॉप होता है, रुक जाता है. सो इन चिल्ड्रन इज देयर अ डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयरन इन द बॉडी, देन फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट हैम्पर ड्यू टू द ग्रोथ ऑफ worms. Next, question number 12 is what are the disadvantages of worm control for children? What are the advantages of worm control for children? So worm control provide physical and mental strength in children and they do not fall ill. Due to this, they can concentrate on their study and it help in foster development in children. Now, what are the major symptoms of iron deficiency or anemia? First one is feeling very weak, problem in breathing, dryness of lips and tongue, not like to eat food, not able to concentrate on study, cannot sleep properly, and severe tiredness. Now explain the digestive system with the help of diagram. So in this process, first the food is chewed by our teeth, then through the esophagus or food pipe, it reaches the stomach, and from there it goes to the small intestine and then to the large intestine. In the stomach and intestine, the food is digested with the help of digestive juices and the undigested food collects in the rectum which is then excreted from the body. It's a picture of our digestive system. It's mouth, it's our esophagus or food pipe, then stomach, it's a bag-like structure, and it's our small intestine and large intestine. Next question is which food item should we eat? Explain with the help of a food pyramid. So it's a picture of food pyramid. देखिए यहाँ पर eat maximum. In the bottom there are chapati, pulses, rice, porridge, quiche, flattened rice, poha or semolina, suji, etc. These food item we can eat maximum. Then in second part there is a vegetables and fruits, eat plentiful. Then there are milk and milk product and meat, fish, groundnut, eat limited. And in the last column there are ghee, oil and sweet items, that is eat less. Okay, तो इन्हें हमें बहुत ही कम amount में eat करना चाहिए. So here is our chapter number 14 is completed. So thank you so much.